for another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sadie's. Make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss an upload. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to another one of my videos and just for rocking out with me. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, I did get this unit from the hair store. It was $19.99 and it is a synthetic wig from BOBBIBOSS. All the details will be in the description box below. I just pretty much got a busy schedule this week. This was the look I was going for with the bundles and the closure that I bought, but my mom don't got time to do my hair and nobody don't touch my hair but my mom, as you guys know, we do own a hair salon. So yeah, but you can always pick up like a little unit from the hair store just for like a day or two to rock for an event. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys, and I thought this would be amazing for you guys to, you know, everybody, we want, like all women, we like looking good, we like feeling good, but you don't always want to break the bank. And for me, I got bundles and wigs for days, but I just need to clean them sometimes. So I figured that I would show you guys, tell you guys about this wig that I got. You can see it is at your local beauty supply store, or maybe you can find it online. I'll leave all the details in the description box, so be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Okay, so as you guys can see by the title of this video, we are going to be doing a synthetic wig tutorial, whatever you want to call it. So pretty much the story behind this is I haven't worn synthetic wig in like years, like synthetic hair period. But my mom, as you guys know, my mom is a licensed hairstylist for quite a few years now. Nevertheless, we have a busy weekend coming up. I just wanted to switch it up, do something different. And the look that I wanted to go for, I would have had to sit in the chair for at least an hour, 30 minutes for the cuts and the curls and the layers. So this is the wig that I got. As you guys can see, this is the price. $19.99. I got it in the number 2. It is the BOBBIBOSS. This is how it comes. Show y'all, and obviously I've already taken it out of the pack because I just wanted to see how it look on me. Let me take it out so y'all can see. So it came in this pack and it gives you the card. It's a lace front BOBBIBOSS premium synthetic lace, BALA. I'll put all this information in the description box, okay, so y'all can know. And obviously it came like netted up. Let me just give y'all it came with all the paper on it. So let me unclip this because I had clipped it up. So it's from BOBBIBOSS. Y'all know BOBBIBOSS has been around for years. So this is how the lace looks. It says BOBBIBOSS inside. Let me give y'all a view of it. Oh, let me take the net off, sorry y'all. So this is pretty much how it looks. It kind of falls about, like, I want to say about a 20 inch. So initially, let me put the wig on. Let me cut this part off right quick. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to clip the back of the wig. I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all hear, like, noise in the background, it's because it's raining out of nowhere. It's like, oh, where you came from? Okay, so let's get it fitted to my head first. And if y'all see me look right here, that's because I'm looking in my mirror. Right now, that was the net. Hold on, y'all, let me turn it. Okay, so right now, this is what she's giving. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't cut the lace or nothing. But as y'all can see, she's cute. Giving very much just got out of Arrogant Tate's chair. How he be doing Ari the mirror. So let me figure out what I'm going to do. And I'm going to come right back. Let me get my little bit of hair products. I'm only going to use a few products. And then we're going to get into it. Y'all like my nails? I went short. And I went red. Shout out to Sister Nails for doing my nails and my feet. The best nail techs in town. Make sure y'all go follow them on Instagram. So yeah, let me get my few hair products. I'm gonna come right back. Don't turn off this video and make sure you subscribe so we can get back into this. Okay, so let me tell y'all what I'm using. Pretty much the same thing that I do when I do my braided wigs, just because like synthetic wig, you don't really need to do that much to it. Don't hard time yourself. I'm gonna use got to be glue, but this method I'm gonna do a little bit different. I'm gonna put it around my hairline, and I'm gonna put the lace on top, because usually I spray on the thing, but because like we want to give it a natural look, we're gonna use this. I'm gonna flatten it out a little bit with this. I might use the hot comb method because I've been seeing people on TikTok do that, but I'm not sure. I got some clips to put my hair back, and I got a rake comb. That's it. This is not going to be a wig that I'm wearing every day. I might just take it out every blue moon if I need to take pictures. So yeah, let's get into this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so right here, as you guys can see, I'm just basically pulling back my hairs to make sure that nothing gets caught up in the hairline, just as you would do with the normal lace.